friends, now we are going to study about the classification of impression materials. First of all, define impression. Impression, according to GPT 8th edition, impression is defined as the negative likeness or copy in reverse of the surface of an object or an imprint of tooth-ended adjacent structure. Okay, now classify the impression materials. There are four types of classification based on elasticity of the material, based on type of the reaction, and based on their use. Based on elasticity of the material, elastic and inelastic. In elastic, the examples are hydrocolloids and non-aqueous elastomer. Agar and alginate are the hydrocolloids, and non-aqueous elastomer are polysulfide, polyether, silicon, and condensation. Then inelastic. Inelastic are impression compound, impression wax, impression plaster, and zinc oxide impression plaster. Then come to the based on type of reaction. There are chemical reaction and thermally induced physical reaction. The chemical reaction are plaster of Paris, zinc oxide eugenol, and alginate, non-aqueous elastomer. Then thermally induced physical reaction. There are thermoplastic and non-thermoplastic. Example of thermoplastic are impression compound and waxes, non-thermoplastic agar. Then according to based on their use, material used for obtaining impression, dentulous mouth, alginate, agar, and non-aqueous elastomer. Then material used for obtaining edentulous mouth, impression compound, impression plaster, zinc oxide eugenol. Based on viscosity, there are mucostatic and mucocompressive. Mucostatic are impression plaster, agar, alginate, and mucocompressive are impression compound. Guys, I hope you understand my video. Thank you for watching.